Just add salt to orange peel and you'll thank me. Look how amazing it is. For today's tip, we'll need orange peel. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to, from. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. And we transferred it to a pot. Then we complete the pan with water. I use this tip whenever I see my bathroom getting dirtier and smelly. Now, let's add 2 tablespoons of salt. And a tablespoon of baking soda. Do not worry about the amount of items used, this mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. After the water becomes this color, we will transfer to a bowl. But first, let's use a sieve to separate the debris from the mixture. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. Now, we'll need vinegar. And let's separate 200 milliliters for use. We will use a meter to separate the exact amount to be used. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home, and comment if you know any tips, so I can do and teach others. Then we'll need 500 milliliters of detergent. You can use the detergent with the color and aroma of your choice for the mixture. After I started doing this, I confess that I was surprised. After that, we will add 500 milliliters of water. The baking soda is the main item for this tip. And we mix the ingredients very well. And we'll separate for later. Now, we'll need a container to use the hint. I will use this bottle, but I made a hole in the lid to facilitate the use of the tip. We will uncover and use a funnel to transfer the mixture without spilling anything out of it. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. After inserting the lid again, the tip is ready for use. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Do not worry about the amount of items used, this tip will help a lot in your day-to-day. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.